I'm Pam Bice. I work for Alliance Data. It's made up of 3 lines of business. We have a retail, a loyalty, and Epsilon. I work in the retail services. We decided 3 years ago, we had 2 homegrown systems. One did time reporting, another did our intake of requests for demand. And there was no way really to marry those 2 systems together to find out what resources we're actually working on. So we started looking for other systems, and we ended up with Changepoint. At first we were just going to install the time management piece because we needed to track hours. Some of those would be deferred, non-deferred, etc. Once we got into the time reporting, we decided we really need the project piece to know what the estimates for those projects were. Once we got the project piece in, we're like, we really need the demand piece too to know what is the demand for our associates coming in. So with Changepoint, we have now have a system that we can see from beginning to end what our resources are going to be scheduled on, what they're working on, how much time they're spending on those projects. It gives us a better insight into those resources. We do the resource management piece so we can see the capacity and the demand on those resources. We have more of a capability now to make adjustments when a project is getting bigger than we thought. We can see what resources are available to put on those projects to help out, or if a project's not taking up as much time as we thought, we can pull resources off to put them on other prioritized projects. We also use the tool as a prioritization. We have it broken down into what our executive committee wants to get done versus our maintenance type requests that we have to do. And we go through a prioritization process to see what is more important to our business. Our IT shop was the first one that we brought up on Changepoint. Since then, I've helped to get 3 other departments within the organization up on Changepoint. The comments have been, well, IT knows what their resources are doing. Why don't the other departments know what they're doing? So it's really given a better visibility into everybody that has to be involved in that project instead of strictly just the IT resources.